So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a filter for your emails. So my goal is that every email I get will eventually automatically have a filter when it comes into me. Let me show you what I mean by filters. So here's an email from our superintendent. So I have a filter set, so every time I get an email from our superintendent, it has this bright red label that is automatically slapped on every email I get from Katie so that it jumps out to me and I'm like, ooh, I got an email from the superintendent. So let me show you how you can set that up yourself. So here's an email that I got from My View Board support. So I'm going to put a label on this so that any email that I get from My View Board support in the future will automatically have a label slapped on it that says ViewSonic Board. Whoop, here comes another one. So I'm going to select this email. So when I click this button, all of these tools show up. So the filter tool is not in any of these. I have to go to the Magic Skinny Snowman. And right here it says filter messages like these. So I'm going to click on this. It's really important that you have in the from, here's the email that I want to be filtered for this example. So I want it so that any email I get from this email is going to have that label on it. So I've got it from right there. Now I'm going to create the filter. So I'm going to click this button, create filter. I don't have to put anything else on here. So now I have all of these options. And so you can take a look at it. You can skip the inbox and archive it, mark as read, star it. You've got all of these other things that you can actually do. But for this example, I want to apply the label. And this is the one that I use the most. So I'm going to look through my labels. So ViewSonic is under my programs. So this is the ViewSonic label that I want to put on that email. And this is really important. So right, this last option right here, apply filter to one matching message, you want to make sure that you check that. And many times it'll say like 14 matching messages or something like that. And what that means is any other emails that you have from that email address, they'll go back in time and slap that label on those emails also. And then I'm going to create the filter. And I'm going to go back to my inbox and and now program ViewSonic. So now that label is automatically on there. So any other email that I get from ViewSonic support, I will have it in there. So when I'm done reading this, automatically I can just archive it. It goes in that folder and it's nice and organized. And you'll notice here's another email that I got, GEG Ohio. I have a filter set for that email group that I'm in, and it's automatically GEG Ohio. That's the label that is on that. So any email that I get from that, it automatically puts that label on for me as it comes in. Oh, and look, another email came in, Google applied. That already has a label. It just popped up. You can see it right there. I've already got it labeled. When I'm done reading it, I can archive it, boop, and it'll go in that folder. So filters are really awesome. Have a great day.